In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your song as an MP3 file in Reaper. Now to do this, first of course you want to open the project with your song in it. So let's just pretend this is my song over here, but this is going to work as well if you have like multiple tracks over here and then multiple audio clips and an entire song all together. So what you have to do is simply go to the File tab top left, and then you want to click on Render. Now you could also press Ctrl plus Alt plus R, which is the default keyboard shortcut to actually open this up. So click on that, and there we go. It's going to open up Render to File. From here, what you want to do is go and select the source. We're going to do a master mix over here, so it's going to include everything inside my project. And then over here, you can of course select entire project, or if you have any custom time ranges or time selections, you could also select that. I'm going to do entire thing over here because that's my song. Now over here, I'm going to go to the output. You can select your directory, your file name, for which I'm going to go a project, and then I'm going to just name this MP3 like this. So it's going to be named like this when I'm done, just so I know. And then from here you can of course select the render to, so where you want to render this to, and then you have options like sample rates, channels, etc. These settings over here are optional, so of course if you need them, if you want them, you can go and check different things, and it's going to basically apply this to your kind of rendering. Okay, now down here is the most important part. It says primary output format. So if you want to save this or export it as an MP3, you want to simply click on the drop down. So default is going to be WAV. What you want to do is select MP3 over here. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. I'm going to pick MP3 over here, and that's really the main part you have to do. Now you could also do like a format MP3 and then go to secondary, and you could go and do a WAV as well, but I'm just going to go and use only the MP3 for now. Then here you can select your mode as well. You can go ahead and select different options over here with encoding and speeds, etc. And then down here you can adjust bit rates and of course different things. You have like a bunch of settings where you can select different things if you wanna. Like for example, if you want to save a project copy to a specific folder and something like that, you can check these things down here. But if not and you're done, you can just double check everything is correct. Make sure it is MP3, click on render one file, and it's going to render it just like this, and you now have your MP3 file wherever you chose to save it. So if I click on open folder, it's gonna open my file explorer, and there we go. Here is my MP3 file, which I just exported. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.